Hello and welcome to the Duckback training series. I'm Adam Bell and today we'll be covering an overview of the exterior wood care category. How to sell Cabot, Duckback, and Thompson's water seal. Just keep in mind to ask three simple questions. Why are you staining? What's your budget? And what's your expectation of the product? Cabot's are a pro-driven product, also for the customer who just wants the very best foot forward. Duckback is specifically designed for the DIY crowd, and Thompson's is a simple waterproofing. Thank you for spending some time with me today. As always, remember, Duckback exterior stain and sealer, easy to use and easy to love.